Hey, it's Kim with Castle Explorers. We are back here at Walt Disney World Resort checking out the All-Star Sports Resort. This is one of Walt Disney World's value resorts. There's 3 with All-Star. It is sports, movies, and music. So we're here. Let's go walk around and check it out. Each of the All-Star resorts have a similar layout of their main building. You'll find guest services desk where you'll check in or go to for any special requests, a gift store full of lots of toys, a food court where you can get all kinds of different food. They also have some great options you can just grab and go, as well as an arcade. This is a great spot for kids and teens to hang out mid-afternoon when you need a break from the sun, or in the evening when you return from the parks. Just like the other 2 All-Star resorts, All-Star Sports has 2 pools. Their main pool, located near the lobby, is called Surfboard Bay, and as you guessed it, it's shaped just like a surfboard. The quieter pool is found over in Home Run Hotel near those 2 buildings, and it's called the Grand Slam Pool because it resembles a baseball field. One of the things we love, besides the price at this Walt Disney World Value Resort, is that they offer so many activities and most of them are free. Near the main pool, you will find larger-than-life checkers and chessboards, and on select nights, they hold movies under the stars poolside and a campfire to roast s'mores. We stayed in a standard room over here in the Hoops Hotel area. Look at how tall those basketball hoops are. We thought the standard room was perfect for our needs. It has 2 beds, with one of them being a Murphy bed. With just the 2 of us staying in the room, we didn't even need the extra bed. So it was nice to have the workspace there where we could put our computers on the table. you're thinking about a Walt Disney World stay at All-Star Sports, we would love to help you plan that trip. Go ahead and find our information down below. And hey, while you're down there, tell us which Walt Disney World resort is on your bucket list to stay at. If you want to see other resort tours and theme park updates, make sure you are following us on Instagram and go ahead and hit that subscribe button now.